Welcome to another video from Chapter 12 dealing with the ANOVA process, and we're looking at an actual example on this one. So the problem is dealing with a research study, dealing with the efficiency of a new antidepressant drug. There will be a placebo group, a low dose group, and a moderate dose group to determine the efficiency. The data is below. We are using a significance level of alpha equal 0.04. So make sure when you do the Excel that you change that value on the significance level. Remember, the default is 5%. Make sure you change it to 4%. And we're checking to see if there's a difference in the mean depression scores. The first thing to do would be to enter that data. Into Excel or a online calculator or even your TI-83s. I have already done that. Here's the data that I entered. And then the results. Scroll down. There are the results. The ones that we're interested in are these particular three values. The critical value, F crit, the p-value, and the F statistic. You can kind of think of this as the work, but then you have to create the actual hypothesis test. So first of all, your null hypothesis is that the means are all the same. And notice there were only three. So mu1 equals mu2 equals mu3. The alternative, at least one mean is different. We have a significance level. That was alpha equal 0.04, 4% significance level. Now our critical value was F crit. And if you look back at that, the critical value was 4.2599. Our test stat is F equals 11.2599. And then the p-value was p equal to 0.001761. So that's at the reject H sub 0. Our p-value is less than alpha, and our F test stat is greater than our critical value. And remember, these all came from the computer, all from the computer here. So our summary, there is sufficient evidence to indicate that at least one mean differs from the others. It doesn't tell us which one, and it does not say that they are all different, just that at least one is different. So that would be the ANOVA process for testing the difference in the means. Things that I would be looking for to make sure that you have is your null hypothesis, making certain that you have the exact number of means testing. Don't have an extra mu4, mu5. And then the alternative is that at least one, not all of them. Make sure that you are using the correct significance level. I do need the critical value, the test stat, and the p-value. And then the correct decision for reject or not reject, and then the summary. So those would be the things that I would be looking for when grading that problem.